In today's video, we are using ibispaintx program. I've been using this app for almost 4 years, but still learning on it. By the way, this is not a sponsor. The question is how to draw faces or heads. My answer to that is very simple. Always use reference to copy the proportion of the face, and also as a beginner, you should learn how the face structure is. You should study the human skull to familiarize the structure of it. You see, if you study the skull correctly, and you identify the shapes, you can actually simplify it to draw faces like what am I doing now. By studying the skull you can get the proportion of a face. Keep in mind, always use reference. Find skull reference on Pinterest or in any website that provides what you're looking for. Find skull reference in any angles, looking up, down, left, and right, and then study them by drawing. You can use guidelines to draw skull like the center line. You can search on the net for samples of guidelines on drawing faces. It's up to you on what you're using, because there's so many of it. Be flexible and do what works on you. After studying the skull, you will now apply it on the human faces. Again, find references. Again, use references. Don't be afraid on using references. Others says that using references is cheating, but all the pros out there are using it. The fact that you can't learn anything without reference, so you better use reference. You will notice when you draw using references, as a beginner or a first-timer, you will see your work that it's way too different from the reference what you're drawing. You know, that is absolutely okay. Don't be mad or frustrated because of that. Always remember that you are learning, still learning. Even the pros are still learning. So don't give up if you find yourself frustrated on your work. That's only natural. No one is perfect. Don't strive for perfection. Keep on drawing and be consistent. I don't actually want to teach how to draw face specifically, like how to draw eyes or draw nose. All I want to teach you guys beginners is you need to learn on your experience, because that is the best teacher. Explore it by yourself and consider it a journey. I'm gonna say it again and again. Use references and figure it out how to draw it. There's so much fun on solving your own problem. If you really want to be better artist, then draw every day. Find inspiration to the pro artist there, and also study their works on how they do things. If you find this video interesting, let me know in the comments, and also you can suggest on what tutorials I'll do next time. If you want to learn to use ibispaintx, let me know so I can make tutorials about it. I'm going to end this video soon. I hope you learned something from me, and don't forget to subscribe.